V-board. The board is an interactive whiteboard system that transforms your ordinary displays and touchscreens. It's made up of a sensor camera, stylus, Canon native software. The board can auto-calibrate on any display, turning dull screens into interactive sources of work and play. And where there's children on the board is absolutely necessary. They'll never be bored in class. Again, the stylus pen emits an IR light that quickly communicates with the sensor camera. This allows your pen strokes to look seamless and smooth. V-board software is super easy to use. Give it to a young one. They'll pick it up in no time. Not only can you switch around the pen tool, so you can also choose one of the 19 different notepad templates. You can even record and save lessons to review again later. Now, let's take a look at how the board is used in virtual meetings. Import PDF PowerPoint. It's Excel or Word or an image file and annotate directly on your work. Communicating ideas becomes so easy. It'll feel like you're meeting in person. But let's not forget about actual in-person meetings through the real-time nearing function. You can share your ideas without sharing personal space. A child can quite literally turn any surface into a canvas. White EMF app is an EMS training leggings that maximizes efficiency of your workouts and makes experiencing the benefits of professional EMS training easily, accessible and affordable. It offers 12 loads that can be adjusted to concentrate on abdominal muscles group. EMS will work your abdominal muscle by the electrode pads, adds and side cloth. You will feel it on your abdominal muscles and lung back muscles. You can control the intensity of the electric pulses, both in hand or apps, so that you are in full control of the outcome to expect from White EMF. White EMF is extremely flexible and seamless, thanks to its specialized spandex fabric. This helps you remain under strict and we focused on the actual workout. Its electrode pads are compressed and thin. Inside the cloth is whole unit, so that you can wear it on a daily basis. Also, we designed chest fitness clothes with the same materials, still embedded electrodes pads in the fitness clothes inside, concentrating on chest muscles position. We could simply install magnetic EMS device in the buttons on the fitness clothes. Turn on it as the training leggings. EMS device provides electric pulses exercise your chest muscles groups, like any of your favorite fitness clothes. This allows you to enjoy the toning effects of EFS, even when you aren't working out. EMF is an affordable, easy and convenient EMS training solution for everyone. It keeps things simple, since you don't have to attach additional gel pads. All you have to do is spray the pads with water. If you want more power and you're ready to go anytime, anywhere, experience maximized effects. Your workouts for minimal effort. Easy, fast, effective fitness. White EMF.
In 2019, we launched a watch to commemorate the 50th anniversary.
Introduce the Zurich NASA Apollo 15 collections. The first Tarek watches feature American movements available in both automatic and moon-faced variations. We're supporting movement production right here in the United States. All movements in the Apollo 15 collection are assembled, tested and regulated in Fountain Hills, Arizona, utilizing industry-leading standards and advanced manufacturing methods. The American automatic movement was designed and approved by certified master watchmakers, giving reliable timekeeping and a 40-hour power reserve, being completely mechanical with an automatic. Rotor, you'll never have to change a battery since your movement powers the watch. The American Quartz Moon Phase version of the Apollo 15 tracks the current phase of the Moon through its 29.5-day cycle. If you ever want to wear a piece of space on your wrist, the dial of select models is made from a slice of actual meteorite. We've kept the best elements of the original design and made significant upgrades. The overall size of the watch is now slimmer, lighter, and more wearable for a greater variety of wrist sizes. The Apollo 15 features a coin-engraved, solid, steel caseback depicting the lunar rover where it sits today, and commemorating the 50th anniversary of its arrival on the surface of the Moon. Like an astronaut's helmet, the curved sapphire crystal provides the ultimate in scratch resistance, while an anti-reflective coating reduces glare. The newly designed grille remains reminiscent of a spacecraft window, looking out at the stars while increasing the area of Swiss superluminova for improved legibility in both light and especially dark conditions. We've continued using our signature method of telling time with orbiting moons for hands. The hour and minute moons rotate around the dial, making for an easy read on a unique display fashioned after astronaut gloves. The Apollo 15 straps feature articulated ridges and are crafted from premium American-made Hoing leather. The Apollo missions continue to inspire us today, just as they inspired the world 50 years ago.